Creating a new Cash App account after your previous one was closed is possible, but risky and discouraged by Cash App. Closures often stem from terms violations, for example scams, disputes, and their system flags linked info like SSN, phone, email, or bank, potentially auto-closing new attempts. Bans aren't always final. Appeal first via support for reopening. If unresolved, proceed cautiously. Reusing details leads to permanent blocks. Preparation. Recover funds. Contact support, in-app chat or 1-800-969-1940 to withdraw remaining balance, frozen post-closure. Clear data. Factory reset device. Uninstall app. Request data deletion via profile, privacy. Delete personal information. Removes SSN ties but not guaranteed. Steps. Mobile app. Download latest Cash App, iOS or Android. Tap Sign Up. Enter new phone number, unused, verified via SMS, and new email. Provide name and date of birth. Skip SSN verification initially. Limits, $250 per week send. Link new bank or debit, unlinked to old account. Set PIN. Enable 2FA. Tips: use incognito mode. Avoid old contacts transactions. They network flag you. If blocked, chat a Cash App Andy on X or app support. Dispute with proof. Alternatives: Venmo, Zelle for safer P2P. Legal note: falsifying info is fraud. Stick to legit details.